Yeah, Rosemary, investors are still unnerved, especially after that huge and historic market sell-off on Monday. And today, it's the Chinese currency, the yuan, that is feeling the pressure. In fact, today, this Tuesday, we've learned that the yuan has tumbled to an all-time low on international markets. On the more tightly controlled domestic market, it has weakened to a 15-year low. Now, on Monday, of course, that was when the Hong Kong Hang Seng Index notched its worst performance since the 2008 financial crisis. We saw shares in big tech companies of China like Tencent, like Alibaba lose more than 11%. And as a result, just wiping out about 54 billion US dollars in their combined market value. US listed shares of Chinese tech companies also fell overnight. And despite the fact that we had that rosier, better than expected third quarter GDP report that came out on Monday, investors in the markets have been fixating on Xi Jinping's power play and that power grab that happened over the last week. As a result of the 20th Party Congress, we saw Xi Jinping not only secure that unprecedented third term as party leader, but also we saw him pack his Politburo Standing Committee with loyalists and push out more experienced economic policymakers. For example, Liu He, the vice premier, or Li Keqiang, the premier of China, or the head of the People's Bank of China. As a result, investors are on edge. We've been talking to analysts and economists today for more reaction. I want to show you what Justin Tang of United First Partners shared with us just a couple of hours ago. He said, quote, "The concern is the lack of checks and balances in a partisan committee," of course, making reference to the Politburo Standing Committee, now stacked with Xi loyalists. He goes on to say Mr. Xi has never been supportive of consumer tech stocks, and the market expects that stance to continue or even more restrictions to arise. And we also got this response from Michael Every, global strategist at Rabobank, who tells CNN, quote, "The Chinese yuan saw dramatically lower fixing today and is hitting fresh cycle lows. If politics is now everything and Chinese tech is nothing, then the Chinese yuan is only going one way. So far, the Chinese currency has weakened about 15% against the US dollar this year, and it's on track to post its worst year in almost 3 decades." Back to you, Rosemary.